Hey, good morning guys. I hope you're doing really well today. Welcome to a day in the life, my morning routine. I did want to come up before I show you my morning routine and my gym routine to say that I made a mistake when I was a little younger and I would go to the gym without washing my face all the time and I'd have really bad acne. So every single morning I go and I wash my face and I'll show you what I use. So currently I'm using Geology, the everyday wash. And then after that I like to put moisturizing morning cream with SPF of 15. So this is what I've been using so far. I'm trying to get a few more skincare routines that are just a little different. But I used to have really bad acne, and I think if you are going to the gym in the morning and if you don't shower, because I don't shower before I go to the gym, I like to shower after the gym. I think it's very important for you to wash your face because you're gonna sweat, it's gonna be oily. My face is very oily and all the oil and dust comes up, and that's why you have so much acne.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah, crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift, bitch I'm him. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Niggas landlocked, too bad for them. And they liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the sword, trying to make it to the top floor. But the penthouse, pin games, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab at it. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building. Look what we built it feel like no ceiling, we taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild shit.
Hi babies. Hi Nala. Hey Nala. Who's my baby now? Oh, you're such a crazy girl. So it is currently 2:32 and we just went to Starbucks, got some coffee for her, and now I'm gonna show you the outfit of the day. I'm gonna eat some breakfast right now, which is right here, and then I'm gonna go and get some work done from home today. And on a typical day, I try to reach out to as many people as I can when it comes to new clients, and right now I'm trying to reach out to clients about 2024 and see what kind of plans they have to buy or potentially sell. So I just like to sit here, get some work done, and always look at some off-market properties, let my clients know if there's anything coming up or if I have anything coming up, and just educate them about the market because things move pretty fast right now. Interest rates are between, I would say, 6 to 6.75% if you have a good credit score, much lower than the 7.5 to 8% that we had a month ago. So real estate is selling much faster right now, and my duty as a real estate agent is to educate my clients and also let them know if I have anything off market. Alright, so I just finished all my work, and right now every time I finish work and we have some spare time, if I'm not cooking or doing something, or both of us, and we're not gonna watch a movie tonight, I like to do something fun with my fiance. And then today I have a surprise for her. She doesn't know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna take you guys with us. What do you think we're gonna do, babies?
Christmas related? Something Christmas related?
Christmas related? I don't know, we'll see. But it is gonna be fun. If it is the place that I went last time, Bebe, it's really nice. So I'm trying to find out if it is the place, but I'm really excited to take you there. Of course, we have to take the essentials. I am kind of inspiring her to vlog a little bit more often, and then the phone, of course, put in the pocket, and then of course, take my Lark water bottle. So we just got to the place, and what is it called?
Candy Cane Lane.
And this is a place that is pretty popular here in San Diego. There's a bunch of Christmas lights. We're gonna go check it out. Nala is very excited. Right, Nala?
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne for old love?
It's the little things that make us happy, and I know that I'm gonna make this video right now, edit it, post it, and in the future I'm gonna look into it and be grateful that I created it, and just see where I'm elevating and going to the next step. Maybe next time we're gonna go to a different country and see more Christmas lights and New Year's lights at a different place.
Here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
So we decided to get pad thai tonight. This is my food and this is her food. We were gonna make steak tonight, but you know, just wanted to save some time and it was on the way, so we just made some food over here. Alright guys, so we finished our dinner. It was Nala's first time seeing the Christmas tree and all the New Year's trees lights. I really enjoyed it. Lynn did too. And we are trying to show you more of our day in the life that we have in our lives. And I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share, subscribe, and like this video. I'm going to be creating more videos similar like this. I have a lot more content that I'm considering and looking into doing. And yeah, I hope that you're going to be here for the future. До свидания.